it's mind over matter. Social media could be a great tool. Instead, people go too far with it. Or they just don't have boundaries. That's the problem. Boundaries. No one has boundaries when it comes to certain things in life. Eating, shopping, social media, all that. You know? So, I don't know. And people just aren't genuinely happy together anymore. I don't know what's up. Like, people want to get in these relationships or get married for societal beliefs, maybe. But then they're like totally unhappy the whole marriage. And they're seeking out something else. And I don't know if it's like communication. Or like people just aren't being really themselves. Or they shame themselves if they are too, you know, just free. I don't know. I'm babbling at this point. But I feel like that's what I've gathered. So. You're very shy when it comes to dating. I feel you, Malcolm. Because, you know, people are hurting out here and they don't know how to just, I don't know, just be regular. People are so worried about being embarrassed or being cringe, and it's such an unexplored, you know, emotion, being embarrassed. I don't care. You know, I'll shoot my shot. Me personally, I used to do that. I don't do that anymore. Because I'm at the point where I want a man to pursue me. But still, like, men, stop being scared to pursue women. Don't be intimidated. And I'm going to be honest, I love my single life. So I get it, country boy. Being single is fine with me, really. I mean, yeah, I would love to meet a man and settle down, maybe. But what does settle down really mean? Yeah, anyways. Coffee's good. Life's great. Okay. Let me get started on the loaves. I'm gonna make 5 loaves. We're gonna wash these first. Now, I cook for my neighbor all the time. The other neighbors I've never cooked for. Like my direct neighbor, I cook for him all the time. Because he, you know, he looks out for me. So, you know, I look out for him. He's a single man, older man. And, you know, if I'm cooking and I got a lot, and it's a good dinner, I'll bring him a plate. Because, yeah, that's what neighbors should do. Yeah. He's older and, yeah, supposed to look out for each other. So I know he's going to eat the loaf. My other neighbors, I know them very well over the years. And this might be my last Christmas here. Before I rent out my house. So I was like, let me just go ahead and make them something too. So, I don't know. We'll see if they like it. I don't care if they eat it or not. It's the gesture, you know. Like I said, they've known me over the years, and yeah. I wash my hands a million times when I'm handling other people's food, my own too. Wash these pans. I don't trust pans straight, you know, from the store. Gotta wash them. That coffee got me feeling moving. Got me moving and grooving. Whew. You're a cook? That's awesome, John. I think I'm finally getting to the point where I can call myself a decent cook. Now, a baker, I'm still working on the baking part. Because I just, I'm not patient enough, I guess. And I'm working on that. Because, like, I can burn up some damn cookies. These lemon loaves are so good. Roses. Thank you, Calder.